There we go. Good morning. Today we're on, where are we?
Crystal Rivers.
We're at Crystal Rivers and we're here to see the manatee. We just saw one, but he's hiding from us. It's a good day outside, good weather. The water is a little chilly. Just a little, not too much. And I have Seraphim back there doing all the work.
Hi.
But it's so beautiful out here. It's actually my first time kayaking. It's a lot of work. And we just started. Literally. So we'll be back to show you some manatees when we find them. If they let me film them.
And we're going to go up a small river pretty soon that the water is very clean. You can see the bottom. But the water out here is a little bit murky. They'll pop up every now and then.
Yeah. It's very nice out today though. I like it. And it's so peaceful being out on the water. It's actually nice. You have the birds going.
Crystal River has a sanctity here for them, for their protection, because they're an endangered species. They're not predators, they're grass eaters. They call them the cows of the seas. That's exactly what they do. You just hover around and eat grass all day.
Like us vegans.
Yes.
Like there's some what are they, ducks? Oh, I can't even see. I'm showing you. You can't really see them. There's some ducks out on the water.
Look, a mermaid.
Guys, I'm having a snack before I get in the water. Because when you kayak, you burn a lot of energy. I'll go Seraphim was doing most of the work. I still burn some energy.
I just need to
Yeah, it's a slow acclimation.
This is actually warm.
It does feel good when you dive down in there. But it's not.
You gotta go around this.
Go around that. You can walk there. You can't walk on the other side. There we go.
See, I call myself a mermaid here.
Ooh, hi. This is so beautiful. Oh, I'm not even moving. I actually have to tip. This is so cool. Okay. I have to tippy toe while surfing is just walking by.
Okay, watch with the rocks here.
Yeah, I just jumped up. Put it underneath my stomach.
There's a slight current here.
Yeah, it is. Like it's pushing me back out,
Yeah.
and I'm trying to come in.
Oh yeah, definitely a current. It's like also against it.
I can imagine.
Wow, just a nice current going through there.
Yeah, the water feels so good. How are you doing, buddy? Making it? Can't move.
Grab on, baby.
Okay.
Keep our feet.
Oh, I can't even move. The current is strong.
Slowly but surely.
We're getting through. This is nice. I can't. Nope. I can't stand. Can't keep my eyes open on the water.
Go for it.
Because I have the life jacket underneath my butt, so you
Right.
keep me upside down.
Hold. Show me when I go under.
Okay.
It's already fine.